front row of the high power, pad number 1. This is a certification flight.
That's a kid's. That's the second kid. The one you didn't do.
David cert flight with an H219 Blue Thunder. Yeah. David, you ready? Lane, you ready? Off the high power front row, pad number 1, the green rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Good event. I see you shoot.
One egg? What do you think you are?
I got blurry. I'll do 3X.
David, we have walkie-talkies. You might want to take one. Go get those.
Yeah.
Taking videos. Everyone just take one.
Somebody get it in slow-mo.
Who to do slow-mo?
Pictures.
Just in like the middle of the rocket launch, you're gonna sing.
No.
That would be kind of funny though. That's horrifying.
That's the farm.
One of the biggest achievements.
I lost sight of it. Now I can't catch it again.
The tree to the left of the farm, you go straight up from there. It's a pine to the left of the farm, straight up from there. It's just now hitting that lower deck of clouds. You might see it now.
It is out there. Right on top of the left.
So there's the silos and a couple trees, and that
3 heights above it.
that far tree to the left. Actually, it's drifting back and forth.
That dead tree.
The dead tree, just past the dead tree.
You think it's past that dead tree, Ken?
I thought it was past it.
I think you're right, but it's in between that dead tree and that left.
Yeah.
You guys got
It's probably, if you drive up to the farm on the